In 1806, Louis Moinet crafted a clock for none other than Napoleon Bonaparte, a commission that symbolized prestige, artistry, and ambition. More than 2 centuries later, that same spirit is reborn in the new Louis Moinet 1806 Chronomètre d'Observatoire. Housed in a 40.6mm grade 5 titanium case, the design reinterprets Moinet's historic directoire-style silhouette. Details like the double gadroon, alternating polished and satin surfaces, and a fleur-de-lis crown honor the master watchmaker's heritage while remaining distinctly modern. The rhodium-plated dial is a mechanical sculpture in itself, 35 individual components playing with depth, shadow, and light. Historic numerals echo 19th-century scientific instruments, while open-worked blued hands with luminescent tips ensure clarity. At its center, a ruby-set barrel framed by polished screws becomes a striking technical signature. Inside beats the caliber LM 1806, certified by the Geneva Astronomical Observatory. After 15 days of testing across multiple positions and temperatures, it stands as a guarantee of precision and reliability. The movement runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour, offers a 48-hour reserve, and is decorated with Geneva stripes, perlage, and diamond-cut beveling. A gilded open-worked rotor with fleur-de-lis appliqué leaves no doubt about its origins. The watch is paired with Louis Moinet's first titanium bracelet, the Bridge Project. Wide, flowing links form a sculptural extension of the case, merging strength with elegance. The Louis Moinet 1806 Chronomètre d'Observatoire is a modern masterpiece born from history, precision, and artistry. A price is yet to be announced, but its value as a testament to watchmaking heritage is already undeniable. If you enjoyed this first look at Louis Moinet's latest creation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more in-depth luxury watch reviews.